So I decided tonight was the night. Just had some extra time and wanted to disassemble the Wood-Mizer LX 25. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get two 16-foot long 6x6 treated posts and then screw those right to the bottom of the track of the LX 25, and then under that put some railroad ties cut 40 inches long, and then put those every 4 or 5 feet underneath the treated 6x6s. Again, I quickly, once I got the sawmill last summer, I quickly put it together and leveled it. Probably not the best, but I wanted to make sure, moving forward, I have a better base to mill on, so my cuts are more precise and everything's exact. So hopefully by this weekend, this is a Wednesday, May 10th, so hopefully by this weekend I'll have another video back up of me putting everything back together and then back to milling. I just milled a couple pine logs in at the very end of the mill. The cut was kind of going up on me and ballooning the end of the 2x4s I was cutting, so I think the track was off centered and maybe even off kilter to where it's raising up the blade. So we're gonna get this right, do it right, I guess the second time, so that way we're not gonna have any problems moving forward. So stay tuned. I appreciate all the views and all the likes that I've been getting. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe, follow along. Once I get this put together, I plan on doing a gazebo build and milled out of all the hemlock logs I have here. I think a 12x16 pavilion gazebo for another property. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.